Ờ, đi ha. Kê vào ăn. Sound check 1 2 1 2. Okay. I think everyone can hear me loud and clear. Okay. Okay. So basically, I'm a little bit unwell in my voices. So let me have a very quick brief through that what is the market is going on. Okay. Initially, the 4 hour took off the high on the dollar index, took off the high and dumped very aggressively and showing a potential inverse fair value gap. So I will be looking bearish on the DXY right now. Potentially target minimally at here and the low that created this gap right here. The reason being is there is no manipulation below this low, so I would be looking at these 2 point of drawn liquidity to be taken out on the dollar. So what we are looking right now is a potential inverse fair value gap from the 50-minute fair value gap, potentially a retest. Potentially a retest from here, going towards if the price, if the candle close below this low, a retest, you can took another leg down towards right here. This is what I'm looking for right now. Okay, so regarding today Forex Factory, we just passed the unemployment claims. We lead the price pump aggressively according to the PPI, and we are looking forward to seeing a continuation bearish, a flip from taking out the high itself from our time frame. So since we are bearish on the dollar, we are looking long trade like yesterday. It should be just continue long off from here, respecting the low itself as the protected low. Okay, initially the protected low was shifted above, and this was the new protected low created right here. Okay, so as you can see, the price is making a higher high, higher low, higher higher, higher low. Okay, why the price rejected off here? I bet you guys can see it. The reason being is the price has respected the fair value gap right here from the 15-minute fair value gap. If I remember correctly, it's also a 1 hour fair value gap. Yes. So I'll just put as the 1 hour fair value gap. Okay. So from this 1 hour fair value gap, respecting very well, this is what I want looking for. Okay, we have this consecutive fair value gap right here, which created a 5-minute inverse fair value gap, which shows an early indication the moment the price close above this 5-minute inverse fair value gap right here, the moment it just created and pumped over this high, it should be good to go, at least taking out this high and take a step back. But the price just closed and punched through accordingly, and coming back into this new fair value area, which is from this high to this low, is the new fair value area, and the next target will be the all-time high. Okay, this is my take, a very bullish one. The drawn liquidity at the all-time high. Okay, the moment pass through this and the price disrespect this very fair value gap. The moment candle close above this, you can take something like this at the creation of this fair value gap, maybe this low, and we can aim towards here. You can see it's a pretty nice 4R. Okay, if you can't really see it, you can take off this low towards the high itself. Minimally, I would see potentially a 3000 for gold. You see the all-time high, took off the one, and how far can it go? Potentially it's just this, yeah, this range of fall. Okay, meanwhile let's look at the euro against the dollar. Since we are bearish on the dollar index, we are actually looking for higher prices. But do we have any respecting higher time frame first? Weekly, how about it? Potentially a sweep yet. But where is this 50-minute inverse fair gap coming from? Let me think. Nothing from 1 hour and 4 hour time frame. What I can argue is there is a potential bearish inverse fair value gap right here. Price didn't respect and continue pump, but did consider to disrespect it. So it could be stuck in between these two. It could be doing something like this or doing something like this. So it's going to be take a while for us to identify this range of liquidity. But from a lower time frame, there is another bullish inverse fair value gap, which is aligned with the used fair value gap. So potentially either the price could just continue higher off here, or it just totally disrespect, break off this low, coming back to retest and continue lower. This is my take on the euro against the pound. Okay. GU, let's see. This low has been taken out. Has been taken out. Relatively, this 4-hour fair value gap has been respected. Shouldn't be coming back or disrespect this 4-hour fair value gap. Initially, the first target going to be here. 1 hour, there is no indication of fair value gap. This was the early market open. Took off this low as a sweep. Inverse fair value gap, CISD, and a 5-minute I think should have, yeah. It should just continuing higher. You should just continue pumping higher. You can take the trade going up here. It should be very nice, especially like the first order flow. Okay, let me show you the first order flow. First order flow. Second order flow. Okay. Okay, from these points, um, I think there is some issue on. These are quite dangerous to me. That's why I see how lethargic the price is getting into. I should be good to go. At least a 2 hour trade from here. AU. And the price still stuck in the range. Okay, let me see AU. Okay, right. Potentially looking on this. This should be so much cleaner. Okay. Nothing looking too interesting. Oh my god. Dow Jones is going to be very bearish if it doesn't react off this low or this high. This should be the protected low already. Otherwise, the remaining lows it won't be able to hold. Let me check on Bitcoin. Previous monthly candle low. Sweep and taken out. Very nice. Let's see if this low can hold on. Meaning this 4-hour inverse parallel gap from here. Respecting very well. But didn't broke off this high. Initially just take a sweep as of now. This will be the first one liquidity. Initially the second. If both sweep, it will just continue lower as of now. Towards this monthly fair value gap is extremely near from here. Regarding Ethereum, still the same. Looking at this low to be taken out. This low and this low depends whether you want to hold or not. That's all I can see as of now. I believe for TRX, this will be the protected low. This will be the weekly range high. So they created this high to start in a range. High that created this low. Stuck in a daily range. Nothing too interesting as well.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights
If this downfall from XRP could be very mad for continue dumping lower. Nothing really looking too great on crypto, to be honest.
So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time,
The FET,
surrender.
even Filecoin,
Hold tight,
dot nothing,
collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
floating area right here. Matic, Polygon,
All because of you. Dripping by
nothing as well.
the skies. Only you.
Nothing on 1 hour time frame. Overnight candle, nope. Link could be or something. Continue higher. Nope, nothing really interests me that much. Okay, congrats on Go. Price has hit the all-time high. Yes, the pump is super duper mad. For March, the entire March just went down for a bit and just pumped all the way towards the all-time high. But 3 consecutively daily candle right here show us a very impulsive bullish move that pushed prices higher from here. Ever since this 4-hour BPR has been respected, it has been a tough tough past week. Then the entire day of yeah, basically the price just punched through everything else from here. If we have taken this 1 hour fair value gap, we have hit our full TP right here. Okay, even though the 5-minute time frame that we mentioned earlier, the 1 minute, sorry, 1 minute time frame respecting of the 5-minute fair value gap of here, it shouldn't be a problem. Just pump through all the way. Should be a good 2R right here. Too bad we didn't get it involved in any of it, but we'll see how far could it go. And for the time being, for euro, yes, just as I mentioned, price is currently stuck in between this range. Nothing much too interesting for the night. I think that will be all for the stream. There's really nothing looking too interesting, and maybe I shall get some more rest. If no question at all, I will be ending the stream. I'll see you guys on the coming Sunday for the weekly outlook. Okay, I'll see you guys. Have a good night. Bye bye.